In this video, you'll learn how to change the audience name in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to update the name of your audience effectively, ensuring that your email marketing efforts are organized and targeted. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard. Look for the menu on the left side of the screen where various options are displayed. Next, locate and click on the audience option in the left-hand menu. This action will take you to the audience dashboard. Here you will see a list of your existing audiences. Take a moment to verify that you are on the correct screen, as this is essential for the next steps. After that, choose the specific audience you want to rename. Click on the audience name from the list to access its details. Ensure that you have selected the correct audience, as this will directly affect the name you will be changing. Once you are on the audience details page, look for the edit button. This button is typically located near the top right corner of the audience information section. Clicking on edit will allow you to modify various aspects of your audience, including the name. Now, edit the name of the audience as needed. You will see a text field where the current audience name is displayed. Clear the existing name and type in the new name you wish to assign. It is important to choose a name that reflects the purpose of the audience for better organization. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. This button is usually located at the bottom of the edit section. After saving, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully applied. Make sure to double check that the audience name has been updated in the audience list. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.